What's up, guys? So I am here with another video. It's been quite a while since I posted here on YouTube, and I am about to reach 32 weeks of my pregnancy, and so I wanted to showcase easy hairstyles that I have been doing throughout my pregnancy. I realized that while I've been pregnant, in order for me to feel myself or just to feel awake and productive, I need to get ready. And when I say that, I mean like get ready, put a little bit of makeup on for me to look awake and just do a little something with my hair, because if not, then I just feel so lazy. I feel so exhausted for some reason, and I just don't feel myself. So just doing a little bit of like putting my makeup on, doing my hair, just makes me feel a lot more energized and alive. And so yeah, I wanted to share a few hairstyles that I've been doing throughout my pregnancy. And these are like easy hairstyles. I don't do too much. Like literally I will do my makeup, if anything, which takes longer, and my hair will take like 5 minutes, sometimes just 2. So I wanted to share my tips and tricks. And if you are pregnant, if you are soon to be pregnant or planning to be pregnant, or just a mom in general, I hope these tips and hairstyles help you, because I know when a baby comes that I am going to be probably doing all these hairstyles that I'm mentioning. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get started. Okay, so the first hairstyle is literally I just keep my hair down and I just curl it. I use it's like a 1" / ½ inch, and this is from Target. And so what I'll do is I will shower, wash my hair, and I don't blow dry it or anything. I literally will just wait for it to dry, and then I will curl it. Curling my hair literally takes like 5 minutes, so it doesn't take too long. And for someone who is pregnant, it definitely gets exhausting when you have to like sit down and curl your hair. So thankfully with this, it heats up fast and it curls my hair really fast. So it just makes curling a lot easier during pregnancy. So I will curl my hair for the first day. I will leave it down, and when I sleep at night, I'll put my hair in a low bun. This just helps keep the curls intact for the next day. And then when I shower, I'll put in a high bun just so it doesn't get wet. And then after I do my makeup, I will just take the bun out and just let it be. I would literally do that for 3 to 4 days. I don't wash my hair every day. I will literally wash it either the 3rd or the 4th day. So I will continue this routine until I have to wash it again, putting it in a low bun just to keep the curls intact, and then wash, and then just repeat the cycle. I don't like my hair straight for some reason. So yeah, this is what I've been doing during my pregnancy. That way I am not curling my hair every single day. Some days I will put my hair in a clip. So if you have just like a small clip like this, or you can get a large one, these definitely come in handy, because if you don't want your hair down and you just want it away from your face, I will literally just start from like the like right here, and I will just pin it. Again, this is usually day 2 after curling my hair, if I want my hair out of my face. And so I will literally just leave it like that. So this is one hairstyle. Just pinning it back. And then another thing that you can do with a clip is just putting like a halfway do. Is that what you call it? I have no idea, but yeah, some days I'll have my hair like this. And I just like to change it up a bit, just because some days my hair, when I put it in a bun, the curls are not that great. So doing it like this will just make me feel a lot better. So my hair right now is day 3, I believe. Yeah, day 3. So tomorrow, most likely, I will wash it, just because the curls are not that great. But this is hairstyle number 2. And it's just a low half-do clip look, I guess you want to say. So yeah, definitely recommend getting one of these clips while you're pregnant, because they will help you and save you so much time, and then also just make you feel like you just did a little something when it literally just takes like 1 second. Another hairstyle I do is putting my hair up. So just get a scrunchie, and I do a number of things. So I will just back up a little bit. Either do a high ponytail, just like this, and I'll pull some hair out, and I will just keep my hair like this. Hairstyle number 3, or this is another thing that I always do, especially if I am just in a hurry. I will put my hair in a loop. So at the third knot, I will go like this. And then I will just squeeze it and bring it forward a little bit. And again, pull some hair in front, and that's pretty much style number 4. Another hairstyle I do is a low messy bun. So let me turn around. So I won't go all the way, and then I literally will just go like that. That's hairstyle number, what am I, 5? 5, yeah, 5. So that's one hairstyle. I literally do that while I'm cooking, just to get my hair out of the way and out of my face and not on the food. So that is another hairstyle. Another hairstyle is just a low ponytail. And I will just pull some hair in the front. And then that is hairstyle, I think we're in what, number 6? Hairstyle number 6. Another accessory to have during pregnancy is a hat. There are some days where I don't feel like doing my hair. After showering, I'll just take it out of the bun, and then I will put a hat on, and literally, like, your hair is still curly, so it just makes you feel like you actually did something, but in reality you really didn't. It's like 3-day-old hair. But yeah, some days I will just go out in a hat like this. So that is hairstyle number 7. Another way you can wear it if you want your hair out of your face, in a low pony, excuse me. A low ponytail, pull some hair in the front, and then that is hairstyle number, I think we're in number 8, but yeah. Then if you can also put it on the side if you want. Yeah, so that is pretty much all the hairstyles I have been doing throughout this pregnancy. Super easy, super quick. And again, I will only curl my hair once and put it in a low bun on the 2nd, on the 3rd day, and then most likely wash it on the 4th day, and just repeat that cycle, and then just do one of these hairstyles along the way. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's helpful, and I hope that this makes pregnancy a lot easier. I definitely struggled in the beginning because of morning sickness and just feeling so exhausted. So to be able to feel awake and energized and just get myself together, especially during the 3rd trimester, has been helping me quite a lot mentally, physically, and just all of the above. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye.